Hello, I'm Vani from Gossipfunda. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to know about how much data we have left. Here I'm using Airtel app. This app clearly shows that how much data we have left from our data pack. Here you can see that the data left and expired date of the data and also main balance. If you are using another networks like BSNL, Airtel, Idea, you have to install those concerned apps also. Those apps shows the how much data you are left. We have another option, that is simply dial listed USSD codes on your mobile. It will also show how much data you are left. And now I'm sharing how to know how much data we are using. For this you need to go to settings and type data, and you see the data connection, and there is a SIM 1 that is 371 KB, and SIM 2 I'm not using data and it shows 0p. And you can also give network permissions also. Here I'm Airtel. This is Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you want use only Wi-Fi, you can click on that Wi-Fi, and you can set in data in the notification bar also. Just simply click on that icon that shows how much data you are using on your notification bar. Visit Gossipfunda site for more technical information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.